Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to perform the urine 10-parameter strip method. Let's jump right into it. Urine reagent strips are firm plastic strips onto which several separate reagent areas are attached. These strips are used to detect one or more analytes in urine. For this practical demonstration, we will need a patient's urine sample, a 10-parameter urine strip. First, let's talk about specimen collection and preparation. A urine specimen must be collected in a clean and dry container and tested as soon as possible. Step 1. Remove the strip from the closed canister and use it as soon as possible. Immediately close the canister tightly after removing the required number of strips. Completely immerse the reagent areas of the strip in fresh, well-mixed urine and immediately remove the strip to avoid dissolving the reagents. Step 2. While removing the strip from the urine, run the edge of the strip against the rim of the urine container to remove excess urine. Hold the strip in a horizontal position and bring the edge of the strip into contact with an absorbent material like a paper towel to avoid mixing chemicals from adjacent reagent areas and to keep your hands clean. Step 3. Compare the reagent areas to the corresponding color blocks on the canister label at the specified times. Hold the strip close to the color blocks and match carefully. And that's it! You've successfully performed the urine 10-parameter strip method. Make sure to follow the steps carefully for accurate results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.